The cops rolled up, and obviously they spoke to the cops, and the cops told them that we're on public property, and you know, when you're on the street, public street, you can take photos of anything, people, structures. So we're taking photos of this awesome oil refinery here, this artistic photos, with a film camera nonetheless. Security is just kind of keeping an eye on us back here, as you can see. And the cops rolled up, and obviously they spoke to the cops, and the cops told them that we're on public property, and you know, when you're on the street, public street, you can take photos of anything, people, structures, as long as we don't cross the boundaries, of course. We just finished up some photography out here in Chinatown. I was focusing more on sort of candid shots of just the scenes, you know, the market scenes, basically the same stuff that I shot yesterday, but I used the leftover PORTRA 800 film and a variety of lenses, mostly a telephoto towards the end, so I get a variety of shots inside the shops. So from here I'm going to be doing some errands out in MARIN County and then hitting up Mount Tamalpais for sunset. Just wrapped up this sunset shoot out here at Mount Tamalpais. We got some dope views over in the sunset section of things, more landscape kind of things, and then I shot towards the city. A little hazy, couldn't really make it out that well, but I just shot some things there just to have it. From here I'm gonna head down to CIVIC Center, see if I can get some kind of retro-futuristic, dystopian kind of things over there, if they let us shoot, if we can wander around there, so we'll see what happens. It's almost 7 a.m. I'm headed right now to the Coit Tower. It's this historic kind of tower, 6 minutes away on a hill, and going over there to do an FPV rip. The weather, interestingly, is cloudy today.
Ocean Beach. Got a few more FPV flights in, got some really nice lines coming across the windmill, coming across the sand, and then going down the coastline, circling around a few surfers. The waves aren't anything crazy right now, but from here I have to return the car at 3. I still have half a roll of Cinestill and half a roll of the Kodak Tmax that I'm going to use tonight in Chinatown because I can just walk down there.
We have arrived here at the Cypress Tree Tunnel, pictured behind me. There was some fog rolling in on the way here, though it was kind of sunny, but of course as soon as we got here, or as we were getting here, I realized it was going to be a foggy, moody kind of shot. So we had an interesting episode at the Cypress Tree Tunnel. I was setting up for some shots. I got some decent ones, different kind of focal lengths, using the zoom lens, vertical portrait, different kind of stuff. And then I got some shots with Luke over there at the end. And I was running down, I don't know why I was running, to switch positions and take some shameless selfies over there. And it's kind of rough road, and I slipped and tripped on a pothole or something. Full blast, went straight into my shoulder. My shoulder's pretty much immobile right now. I can't even lift my arm or lift any weight. It's popping. And that'll probably be a wrap for this trip out here to California. Well, Utah at the beginning, of course, for work. Then California for this photography project. The idea is coming along very nicely. It's going to be some sort of a fictional city. I'm going to come up with the concept later. So we'll see how it all comes together once I get the shots developed. And hopefully everything came out all right. So despite this shoulder injury, which I hope is not broken, from out here in California, I will see you in the next one.